Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Elsy Novela Triana. I have a poetry reference story Alone Pet by Edward Wolfe about Tim. She is my grandmother, lantern in the dark. See the lantern in the dark, the shadows of the vine illuminated by the dark lanterns of the night. Step by step, the old footrests are stalking the pine forest. She is a lantern in the dark, only a small stick made of umbrellas that witness the trick brush of the silent. Blue eyes due to age and forehead, wrinkles that from a thin little tree. She is lantern in the dark, trembling body and legs that are not straight anymore, walking saddle travel field. She is a lantern in the dark, for the sake of my dear grandson, treated the battle of age and step terrain of travel does not destroy affection. By Elsy Novela Triana. I think enough about my poetry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.